So
look what God gave her, how perfect He made her.
hey guys, welcome to my channel. Princess Bravo here if you're new, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through my natural nail care routine for strong, long and healthy nails. So I always start by filing my nails just to give them a nice looking shape to them and just to make sure that they are all of the same length. So I'm going to do that very lightly and gently. You don't want to use a strong or heavy hand while filing your nails, otherwise you're going to file almost the entire nail and you don't want that. You just want to file just a tiny bit of it just to give them that nice looking shape. So make sure you file your nails gently and don't overfile your nails. Just take your time and we'll proceed on to the next step. The next step is to push back the cuticles, and I love to do that using this tool over here that I got from my nail kit. It's like a nail file that has a sharp edge to it, so I love to use both of the sides, and this is not as brutal as it looks. And you can do this step, or if you are afraid of hurting your nails, you can just apply a cuticle cream so that your cuticles soften up before you start pushing them back, and go ahead to remove the dead skin around your nails. So this is what I basically do. It doesn't hurt, so do whatever you prefer for your natural nails. Now on to the third step, we're going to remove the dead skin around our nails, around the cuticle area, and this is very easy and satisfying if you have this tool over here. You guys, I don't know the name of this tool. If you know, please let me know in the comments, but I also got this from my nail kit. So you use that to remove the dead skin around your nails, to remove the cuticles, and your nail is going to look much longer and cleaner and smoother. I'm now going to repeat the same steps on the opposite hand. So that is the filing, pushing back of the cuticles, and also removing the dead skin around the cuticle area. And I'm just going to speed this process up because it's just entirely the same thing. Guys, this was such a struggle for me working on my left hand using my right hand. This was work. I was really sweating and it was such a mess. Do you guys ever struggle with your left hand? Do you guys like struggle working on your left hand using your right hand? Because I usually find that this is such a task. I don't know. If you do, let me know in the comments. So if you find it difficult to push back the cuticles before you apply cuticle cream first, or before you soak your nails, then I recommend you do that first before you go ahead and do this step. For me, it's much easier when I do this, and yeah, it works for me this way. So this is how my nails are looking like once I was done with that, and my nails had this orangish color to them because I used a marker pen to do my nails. but it will eventually come off, so make sure you don't do that, especially on bare nails. Make sure you apply our base coat first. So the next step is to scrub our hands, and I'm using the apricot scrub. You only need just one pump out of it, and that's enough, because actually it was a lot. So yeah, make sure you just use a minimal amount to just scrub your hands. Do that in circular motions and go all over the nail plate, nail bed. Make sure that you get rid of all the dead skin on your nails, on your hands, on your fingers, and everything will be looking nice and smooth. Next, I'm going to clean the surface of my nails and also under the nails, because there is a lot of dirt going on there, and also because the scrub got inside or under my nails. So you want to brush that out. If you don't have a nail brush, you can use a toothbrush, and it basically works just fine. The next step is to soak our nails in the apple cider vinegar solution, and how you want to do that is to take 2 bottle caps of water, mix in a half bottle cap of the apple cider vinegar, and you just want to soak your nails for as long as you want. So this is the secret ingredient for my nails, to achieve those long, strong nails that don't break. So yeah, this is my secret ingredient. So you guys should be thanking me right now, because I've given you my recipe. I've already given you my recipe and you're not subscribing. Why are you not subscribing? Because I don't understand. I'm giving you secrets, I'm giving you tips. You keep coming back to my videos and you're not subscribing. Like, I don't understand. I just don't get it.
Okay.
So here is my secret. I soak my nails for as long as I want, and this helps to just give me those strong, natural nails. My nails hardly break nowadays, because girl, this is the secret. This is what you are looking for your natural nails. You don't have to wear fake nails anymore, because once you have long nails and they are strong, girl, you are rocking for days.
Nice.
Once you are done soaking the nails inside the apple cider vinegar solution, you just want to rub your nails, massage your nails so that the solution can really get into the nails. The next thing you want to do is to apply a nail hardener just to protect your nails. Since you've done all the good work, it's now time to seal that in using your nail hardener. So the last and most crucial step is to moisturize, and I'm using my favorite cream, which is the Clear for Men, which has got vitamin A and E to it, and I'm going to take just a pea-size amount. Actually, this was a lot, so you want to take a pea-size amount and just moisturize your hands. Make sure you rub that in real good so that your hands can look really nice and smooth. So those are the basic steps that I use in taking care of my long natural nails. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like. Also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on the post notification bell so that you are notified each time I upload a new video. So today's comment shout out goes to Nicole Atieno. Thank you so much for being part of the Princess Bravo gang, and if you want your comment to be featured in the next video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with the hashtag Princess Bravo gang. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.